Hi everyone, my name's Ash, and I'm sure as many of you are aware, the weather's changing and people are ditching the salads for soups. Okay, so what do we have? We have our friends over at Metcalfe that have loaned us the Hallde Combi Cutter 34, one of the best veg preparation units on the market today. So we're going to show you a little bit more about the unit today. The unit itself has two interchangeable heads. We've got the veg prep head and we've got the food processing head. Really easy to put on and interchange. You put the ejector plate on first, followed by a 10mm slicer blade. This is dishwasher safe and one of many in the range. So to direct your attention towards this curved blade, absolutely perfect for your waxy vegetables and getting that perfect clean crisp cut. You're going to attach the vegetable prep attachment here. And it's that simple, and now we're ready to go. On it, we've got three speeds. We've got a pulse mode, a speed 1 and a speed 2. On this, we're going to pulse the carrots through and we'll show you some of the results. So now we're going to show you how easy this machine is to deassemble and clean. The inside is a single aluminium base, no dirt traps, perfect for cleaning. So to show you how easy it is to fit the food processing unit, we're going to go ahead and do that now. There's a little groove on the side of the unit, which clearly indicates where the bowl sits. Full stainless steel blade goes into the 3 litre bowl, drops down, little quarter tin, nice and easy. Then for the tricky bit, getting the lid on. Easy. So now we're going to blend all our ingredients together to make our carrot and coriander soup. So now we've got all our ingredients in the food processor, we're going to turn it on, we're going to add some powdered coriander, and we're going to use this nice twin scraper here to make sure the mix gets evenly spread throughout the machine. This attachment is also nice and easy to clean, fully dishwasher safe. Just a slight turn, so this comes off, take that out, all straight in the dishwasher. So this here is our finished coriander and carrot soup. And if you'd like to know any more information or have your own live demo in your own premises, give the office a ring and we'll be happy to help. Hope to hear from you soon. Hi everyone. This year, if you need to get your chef a present, our friends over at Metcalfe have once again lent us the Hallde Combi Cutter 34. So if you're interested in one of these this Christmas, please get in touch. Ring the office, we'll be happy to help.